starting this vlog on a Sunday 4 p.m. We were being just lazy as usual. We thought we'll go out on a Sunday, but it's been raining since last night. Weather is super gloomy. Finally we were like, oh, get up from the bed, stop binging on Netflix. And now we are out and about. This neck is bothering me so much. I'm feeling so hot. It's not that cold. Weather seems like that, but it's gloomy. But it's not that cold today. It's about 13 degrees. So we are going on a short hike to this national park called, I don't remember the name, but I will put it up on the screen. So that's how we are going to end our weekend. Oh my god, such beautiful fall colors. I mean, I'm in awe. It's so stunning. Stunning. I have no words. It's the best time to come out for a hike or cycling or anything, like a short hiking walking trip. And I don't know why we just stayed at home in the morning. We should have come here after our lunch. That's what we planned, but we were so lazy. But once you come out, you just feel so refreshed, fresh, clean air, and the smell of the forest and trees and leaves is just so cleansing. Hi everybody, so today is Tuesday. Whew. Feeling kind of hot. Does it happen to you guys that once you take a shower you feel kind of hot? I got something interesting in the mail today. This cute little package from Nomige. So this part of the video is in partnership with Nomige. Nomige is the first Belgian skincare brand to develop personalized skincare according to your DNA and your lifestyle. This concept was so new to me and I haven't tried anything like that. So I thought I would take this opportunity to introduce this brand to you guys and also to find out how our DNA and our lifestyle can affect our skin needs. This is a perfect opportunity to learn more about it, learn more about different kind of skincare. And the thing that intrigued me was how they develop personalized skincare. So as we all know, our skin is different. Similarly, our skin needs are different. So right now I'm in my first step of finding out my personalized skincare. So this is the DNA sample kit which the brand has very kindly sent it to me. So I have to collect my saliva sample and send this back. After a few days I will hear from them for a personalized skincare update and what my skin needs, how is my skin doing, how my skin has changed over the years, and what all my skin needs right now. So I am going to take my DNA sample right now. So I did this unboxing on my Instagram stories. If you are not yet following me on Instagram, please do. It's here. This is my Instagram ID. You can go and check it out. So this is how the package looks like. This is the tube I'm supposed to collect my DNA sample in. There are instructions written right here, so I will read it up. So the first step is to wash your hands and avoid eating, drinking or smoking or brushing your teeth for at least 30 minutes before beginning the sample process. So yeah, that's done. Step 2 is open the sterile swab by firmly pulling and twisting the lid, and do not touch the head of the swab with your fingers to avoid contamination. So this is the swab and I'm supposed to be twisting it. Alright, so this is the swab, and then insert the head of the swab into my mouth and brush firmly against inside of the mouth of your cheek in a circular motion for approximately 1 minute. Did you hear that click? So that means we are done. Now I will put it back. So as I showed in my Instagram stories, there's a detailed questionnaire I have received which I have to fill, and then I can mail back my sample. It's ready to be posted back. and I'm super excited to hear from the brand and find out what my DNA has to say about my skin. So if you guys are interested and you want to check out their products, I have a personal code for you guys. It's here on the screen, so you can go and check out for yourself. There's a direct link for the brand in the description box. If you feel like trying out something new and you want to see what your DNA has to say about your skin, then yeah, you can use my code to have some discount on your products. I will be updating you guys when my results come back. If I receive it soon, I will include those clips in this vlog itself. Hi guys, so today is Monday. We are officially under lockdown 2.0. We here in Belgium are under second lockdown for 6 weeks until 13th of December. And yeah, I just wanted to update you guys that we are officially under lockdown. Like, I don't know how I'm feeling right now. So all non-essential shops are shut for 6 weeks. Essential shops like grocery, pharmacies and garages are open. And yeah, that's the update on COVID-19 from Belgium. So on Saturday we went to a thrift shop. We just went there for one last time before the lockdown happened, to look around and to just get the feel of it before everything shuts down. So now I will show you the clip of my thrift shopping spree, or just looking around. I did not buy much. I just bought 2 things, but I just wanted to get the feel of it, of real shops. Hi guys, so it's the last day. From tomorrow lockdown 2.0 is starting, so we thought let's go into the thrift store for one last time till God knows when. It's a Saturday, super sunny day, beautiful day. So I'm just going to take you guys along and let's see if it's open. I'm not really sure if it's open. Just going to check it out. If it's open, I will show some clips on the screen. So this is my first purchase. It's a vase. It's a glass vase and I got it for 50 cents. I'm going to DIY it with some acrylic paint and make it ceramic-ish. So that's what I'm going to do. It's for decor. And the second thing which I got is a cool looking purse. This is the bag I got and it's really cool. It has a handle like that and you flip it and then you can make it a backpack. So you can use it like a backpack, or if you just loop it through, then you can use it as a purse or a crossbody bag. I thought it was really cool, that's why I bought it. It was for 6 euros and it's from a brand called Nomige. I looked it up and I found out that it's a Belgian brand. I don't own anything from this brand, but I was curious. I always look around for pieces and then I see if any brand is mentioned. Quickly I look it up on Google, and if I find that it's a branded piece, I definitely go for it. I think it's leather and I got a good deal. It's for 6 euros and I'm kind of pumped up to use it. You will see this in one of my videos very soon, I'm pretty sure about that. And yeah, I have sanitized both of my products. Also, I was packing up a few things which I had to return. I bought few things from Zara. I made an order. Yeah, now I'm just packing it up so that I can make a return order. So there was not much to show in a haul video. That's why I am including everything in the vlog itself. I just bought 3 things, but I'm just keeping one of them. So the first thing I bought is a waistcoat. This is a black waistcoat. I thought it looked really cool and it fits really nice. I bought this in size small and it was for $39.95, and I'm planning to keep it as of now because I like it. I think it's a good layering piece, although we are not going anywhere. Yeah, we are not going anywhere. But I think I'm going to keep this. The next thing which I bought was this mini skirt which I'm returning. So this is a skirt. I bought it because it has a very cool slit at the side of it. This is the slit. I tried it on and I think I shared a story also on my Instagram, but I think it's quite short on me. I mean, the skirt is supposed to be mini skirt, but I don't think I will get my wear out of it. That's why I'm going to return it. I bought this in size medium, although it's a bit loose on my waist. Small would be a better fit, but then I thought small would be even shorter in length. That's why I went for size medium, and it was for $29.99. Has a zipper detail at the back, but unfortunately this is going back. It wasn't a disaster as such, but I really liked how it looked, but I don't think I will wear it. I usually don't wear mini skirts that much. That's why this is going back. And the last thing, which was a huge disaster, were these boots. These square toe boots. These were huge disaster, and I will show you why. And these were for 69 euros. I mean, for 69 euros I expect better quality, better fit. Nah, no, I'm not spending 65 euros on a pair of boots which don't even feel comfortable and don't even zip up. That was the reason I'm returning these. So that was a quick haul, and I'm going to end this vlog right here. I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. This was a vlog before lockdown 2.0. I think that's what I'm going to name this vlog. Yeah, that's a good name. I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe wherever you are. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like, and I'll see you next time.